Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about operating a magnetic stir plate and bar. So, what I would like to show you here, if I can catch it, let's see how well it'll catch it. Okay, do you see the little typhoon in there? Whatever you want to call it. Looks like a tornado. Okay. Now, a lot of people, see how I backed it off? It's still spinning. This is good for mixing your LC, like it is right now. But if your intent is to grow it, you want to aerate it. And I turn that up just to see how it's coming down. Alright, what you don't want to do is bring it down far enough to where the end of it is hitting your stir bar. It'll disrupt the stir bar and it could mess it up, and well, not mess it up like break it or not, but it just doesn't work well. So basically what you want to do is, if you're trying to aerate it, you want to dial it in to where that tornado, typhoon, whatever you want to call it, is close but not all the way down to the stir bar. And if all you're trying to do is pull it out of the fridge and use it because it's already completely colonized and you just want to stir it up a bit, you back it off like that. Okay, all right guys, well, that's it for today. Happy cultivating.